Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Higher Mathematics. Today we have very interesting and I would say like relaxing exponential equations. 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x equal to 5, and we need to find our x. If you have your solution, your answer, you can also write your solution down into the comment section, and in a few minutes we will check our answer, so it will be really interesting. So first of all, a lot of students might be saying, hey mister, maybe we'll try like x equal to 1. We will have 3 to the power 1 3, 3 to the power 1 3, so 3 plus 3 equal to 6. This is not good. Okay, so then I say, okay, let's try to add our 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x, because to be honest, when we rewrite it, we have 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x. There are two ways how can we add this expression. The first one, like the easiest one, when we factor this 3 to the power x, so this is like the first way how can we solve it, we will have 3 to the power x when we factor it, and in parentheses we will have 1 plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1. This is the first way, but a lot of students don't understand this way. The second way is the easier one, because when we have 3 to the x, for example, this is our a. When we have this one, this is also our a. So when we add two same elements, we will have 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x equal to 2 times 3 to the power x. All right, so this is absolutely the same thing. So the first way when we factor it, and the second way when we add it, this is absolutely the same. I prefer this one, 2 times 3 to the power x. I don't like this factoring. When we factor this 3 to the x, I don't like it. I just wanted to add this 3 to the power x times 3 to the power x. All right, so what do we have on the left side? We have 2 times 3 to the power x equal to 5. And I hope you see this, that we can divide both sides by 2. Then we will have only 3 to the x on the left side, so let's divide both sides by 2. When we divide it, we will have like 2 times 3 to the power x. When we divide this left hand side by 2, we can easily cancel our 2 easily, yeah. And on the right side we have our 2 in our denominator. All right, so right now, as I told before, we're gonna cancel these 2 and these 2. So we will have only 3 to the power x on the left side. So let's do that. So we have 3 to the power x on the left side, and on the right side we have 5 half. So let's leave it like that. I don't like this decimal 2.5. Let's leave it as 5 over 2. All right, so how can we solve this question? First of all, we need to know about log, basic log property. We're gonna apply log on both sides. So we write log of 3 to the x on the left side, and we write log 5 over 2 on the right side, 5 over 2. And here is a main log property. When we have x right here, we can easily write this x right here, so this x will come down right here, because this is like the main log property. When we have log right here, we have base of b, for example. Here is our a, and here is our power x. This x will come down right here, so our x times log a base of b. All right, so something like that. So this x will come down, so as a result we will have like x log 3 equal to log 5 half. And the last tricky move, let's divide both sides by this log 3. As a result, we will have like x equal to log 5 half, and we divide it by log 3. But here is the main move right here. We can easily write this 5 half as so log 5 half as log 5 minus log 2, because there is like a great log property. When we have like log a over b, we can easily write it as log a minus log b. Okay, so in terms of like division, we write it subtraction. In terms of, for example, we will have multiplication, we're gonna write it as addition. Okay, so something like that. I hope you understand this step. You can easily leave it like that. If you have this type of option on your test, you can easily leave it like that. But if you don't have this type of option, you can easily split this numerator as log 5 minus log 2, and all over log 3. And this is our final answer. This is up to you, this one or this one. This is absolutely the same thing. And of course, maybe someone interested in approximately answer, I prefer these values for you. For example, if we are talking about log 5 base of 10, we are talking about base of 10 equal to 0.699. Maybe someone interested in approximately answer, I'm not sure, but let's write it. Right here we have log, we still have 2 base of 10 equal to 0.301, and we have the third value log 3. Okay, log 3 base of 10, we are talking about 0.477. And if we plug in each of these values into this spot, if you're talking about approximately values of x approximately equal to in our numerator we have 0.698, and in the numerator we have 0.477 approximately equal to 0.8834. Okay, so let's write our final answer to this question. I hope you understand it. So our answer, we are talking about x equal to log 5 minus log 2 and all over log 3, which approximately equal to 0.834. And to be honest, this is a correct answer. I feel it, because in the beginning, as I told before, when we had 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x equal to 5, all right? So when we're talking about x is equal to 1, yeah, x is equal to 1, we had 3 plus 3 equal to 6, yeah, so it's greater than 5. And if we're talking about x is equal to 0, for example, we are talking about 1 plus 1 equal to 2, sorry, yeah, we have equal to 2. And if you look closely, we have right here 2, right here we have 6, and our 5 is between 6 and 2, yeah. So we are talking about the answer which is between 0 and 1, and it looks like a correct answer is great for us in terms of like this quick inspection method. Yeah, so if we're talking about, for example, x equals to 2, we will have the bigger number than 5 a lot, because we will have like 9 plus 9 equal to 18. 1, this is 6 because 3 plus 3, and x equal to 0 equal to 2. But we have 5, so this is something between like a quick inspection, like in terms of like a bigger than 1/2, to be honest, because this is like closer to 6, which gives us 1. Yeah, so this is like a quick like inspection trick. Maybe you're interested in this. This is also a great thing to do this inspection method without a calculator, because without a calculator we can easily get approximately value. And this is our answer to this question. A great question to practice like log, to practice exponent rule, to practice different tricks, because a lot of students do this in a wrong way. They try to divide by something, they try to subtract, but to be honest, we can easily add this expression, and we have a classic basic equation in terms of exponential function and linear function. To be honest, this one is the best way to solve it with the log, apply log on both sides, and we have our answer. But first of all, this tricky move, don't forget about that we have the same expression, 3 to the x plus 3 to the x. This equal to 2 times 3 to the x. To be honest, a lot of students are confused about it, because for example we have 3 to the x plus 3 to the x, yeah, we have something like that. We have absolutely the same expressions, all right? So we have 3 to the x, for example, this is our, let's go with a. 3 to the x, this is also our a. So we are talking about a plus a, which is equal to 2a, okay? So for example, we have 3 values and you're confused about it. For example, we have like, let's go with 5 to the power y plus 5 to the power y and plus 5 to the power y. A lot of students are confused about it, but this is absolutely the same expressions. So for example, this is our t, this is our t, and this is our t. Yeah, so we are talking about 3t, t plus t plus t equal to 3t, but t equal to 5 to the power y, so we have 3 times 5 to the power y. So I hope you understand this move, because a lot of students are confused about it, but to be honest, when we add it, we have very basic equation, very basic, with applying with log. 2 tricks, the first one, the second one. This one is not a trick, this is like a basic log property. X goes right here, and the second one, this is up to you. Maybe your teacher say this is enough, because sometimes happen that this is a great answer, but maybe you, if your teacher, if you're learning like a log property, this is also a great answer for you, because we applying this rule, this property, which is also really great. And with a calculator we can easily quickly find these logs, and we quickly find these approximately value. So a great question, I guess, to practice. Not that hard, to be honest, but with two tricks, the first one, the second one, with really interesting moments. So as you can see, a great question to practice math. So thank you for your time. Wish you all the best in your life. Wish you all the best in your math adventure. You can also write your question down into the comment section. You can also write your notes, your thoughts. You can easily leave your response. It's really great to see your response down into the comment section. You can also write what you want to see on my YouTube channel. You can also write your notes. Let's discuss about it, because a lot of teachers, a lot of students watch my videos. So let's create a community where we can discuss a lot of really interesting math questions. So it's also really great to do this. And here's my explanation. Here's my answer, here's my approximately answer. So I really hope you understand it. If you don't understand it, you can also leave your response, and everyone will help you. I guess we are interested to help you to learn math. It's also really great. So thank you for your time. Wish you all the best in your math adventures. See you in the next videos, and have a great day.